Our next company waiting in the line is ALLTOP. Is from Zhongshan ALLTOP company. Hello, hi. ALLTOP, Zhongshan ALLTOP. Hello, Lydia. Lydia from Zhongshan ALLTOP. Are you there? Hello. Hello, is Lydia right?
Yes, hello. Yeah, can you hear?
Hello. Yeah, I can hear you. Hi.
Okay.
Hi, good afternoon. Lydia, can you please turn on your camera? Because I cannot see your video, but I can only hear from you.
Okay, the camera. I need to go out and go out first.
Sure. No worry, take your time. Oh, okay. Great, I can see you.
Okay. Okay, hello.
Hi, good afternoon, Lydia. Hi.
Hi,
So
good
nice to see you.
afternoon.
This is Jane from Lightstrade Factory Tour. And Lydia, would you like to give us a brief introduction of your company and the products or the projects or say the applications that you have done? Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Our factory is Zhongshan ALLTOP Lighting. We are located in Zhongshan, and our main product is solar LED lights, solar system, AC LED lights, and other LED lights. But our main product is solar lights. So today I also will going to introduce our main product, the solar LED lights, and some our new model to you. Okay, so I start now.
Yes, you can start.
Okay, thank you. First, I am going to introduce one big model. It is also a new model. It is just come out this year, very new model. As you can see, this is the all-in-one solar LED street light. We can see the solar panel. The solar panel is on the top, and on this side we can see the LED sheet inside here. This model in my hand, it is the biggest model. We also can do the small walls. It just has the one head or two heads, three heads like this. And as we can see on this side, we can see the red part. It is it is our special design.
Is that a motion sensor?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. No sensor. It is we make this just to let our customer know still have how many energy lasts.
Energy. Battery.
We can
Just
see
like
the energy in here. Yes. And on this side we can see this is the remote controller, the PIR remote controller. And for this model, we also can use the remote controller like this. For the remote controller, we also designed by our engineer. For this lamp, first, as we can see, we press on. And as we all know, the solar light, we must cover the solar panel because the solar light at daytime, it will auto charging the sunshine. And when the night comes, it will auto bright. So first, we need to cover the solar panel and make it just light at night.
Now you are cover the solar panel. Yeah.
Okay, cover the solar panel.
Then it will function.
And as we can see clearly, on the PIR sensor, we can see it has the blue color, right?
Yes.
The blue color means this lamp now it is working with the PIR sensor.
Okay.
Then when people come, it will 100% bright. When people leave, it only have 30% bright. And if customer don't want it with the PIR sensor, we can press the mode model on the top of the remote. We press it.
Oh,
Now you can see the PIR sensor not has the color, not has any color now. It is in the white.
Mhm.
All white. It means it already removed the sensor. It will 100% bright all the time.
Okay.
And if you want to settle its working time for 4 hours or 6 hours, you also can use the remote to control it. And
Timer.
if you want to turn it off, just off is okay. Okay.
How long will this street light be working in the night when there is no sunshine to charge the solar panel, and after your your battery is fully charged, how long it can offer the lights? 2 days,
Okay.
or 3 days?
If you choose the PIR sensor model, it can working 3 days. But if you choose the no sensor, it can working 20 to 24 hours.
Oh, 20 to 24
about 2 days. About 2 days.
Okay. Yeah, I see.
Because the battery just inside here. We use the battery inside the lamp already.
Okay. Do we have another power supply besides from only the solar power? Do we have a AC or DC charger for this power supply?
Yes. You mean the AC model?
Yes.
Yes. We also have the AC model. Wait a minute. Hello, come back.
Hi.
For the AC model, we do the solar floodlight and the solar LED street lights. AC it just use the light to connect, so it don't has the solar panel and cannot use the sunshine to charging. AC is very, very simple.
Stable and simple.
And next, I want to go and introduce another new model.
This is a portable battery
system. The solar system. This one in my hand, it is a battery, but it is manufactured. As we can see, it has the switch here, and we open it, and then we press. We can see it has the LED light here.
Yes. Can be used in campaign or some emergency cases.
Yes, because it is very small and very convenient. And when you go camping, if you if you cannot find the road, you can use this light because it is flashing. You can make the people know where you are. It is very it is a very good product.
Noticeable.
And for this model, we also can give customers 3 LED bulbs. Like this, we put the LED bulb. This line has 5 meters long, so you can put this in your home and put the bulb into your room. It is very convenient.
Yes.
And very bright, the LED bulb.
Yes. So it's portable. Yes, removable.
And it can use the solar panel to charging is okay.
Oh, I see. The power supply modes can be selected.
Because this is the battery.
What's the warranty of this battery?
3 years. All of our product is warranty for 3 years. the whole part.
I was wondering about a battery because the battery, as in our common sense, that maybe the first year when I buy the battery, it can supply like 1 week or 2 weeks, but with the time, next year or the third year, 4 years, then the battery is dropping. The capacity of the battery is dropping dramatically. You know what I mean? Means that the duration, the power supply capacity is dropping. For example, for a new battery, maybe 2 weeks is okay. And in the fourth year or the third year, then only 1 day or 2 days. Will this situation happen to the battery? Because it's a common sense for people to know the battery is always dropping, right? Have you ever suffered from this question before from the customer or?
We sell a lot our solar lights, but for our battery, it less the shortest time customer feedback is at least it can work about 2 years. Then it will have some problem. But most of our battery it can working about 3 to 5 years because because our battery is already made the protect inside the battery, so it will be very safe.
Great. The pre-test to ensure the quality. Yes.
Yes,
okay,
the quality.
Okay, thank you. Anything else you want to show?
Okay. Next, I'm going to introduce some small model, just like this.
Okay. Wow, this colorful one, yellow one.
Yeah, you know this model.
For the
low use.
Low,
it not has the LED.
Oh, in the road. Oh, okay, I see. So in the road, when you want to drop the speed for the vehicle, for cars to drop speed, then you use this in the night. It will give you a very previous or obvious signal to slow down, right?
Yes, for at night use, and its quality is also very strong.
Very strong, yeah. The cars will run through.
Yeah, the material is ABS, but it is very strong.
Great.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, next I want to introduce some big model.
Okay. I guess due to the time limits, we have like 2 to 3 minutes. Okay.
Oh, 2 to 3 minutes.
Is that okay?
Okay.
Okay, thank you. 2 minutes. Yeah, here we go.
Okay. Okay, you has any question you want to ask?
I think I'm OQ.
Oh.
For
okay. Now our MOQ is 50 pieces is okay.
Okay, 50 pieces. A small amount. Yeah. And the delivery time is around 20 days or 1 month.
15 to 20 days.
15 to 20 days, very, very quickly. Yes. Okay. I guess a lot of the production you want to show me due to the time limits, but we still have a lot of chance opportunity in the future because this special event will automatically happen in every month. We will have one special factory tour like this event. So I can see you next time. And every time we got some new product, that's really keep going on. Yes. Yeah. Thank you, Lydia. You have given us a very good presentation of your company and the products. I'm so impressive. Thank you.
Okay, welcome.
Thank you. See you next time. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Lydia.